Hello friends, welcome to Code Mummy. The next topic is insertion in heaps. So what are the steps to be followed in the insertion of heaps? First step is increase the heap size by 1. How are the heaps represented? Heaps are represented using arrays. So we can increase the array size by 1. The next step is insert the element at the last position. So we will insert the element in the last position. What is the next step? We will heapify the newly inserted element. Which is the last element. Okay, what is heapify now? Heapify is just a process of swapping the element or the node which we want to heapify. We'll swap it with the parent or the child element so that it follows the max or the min heap properties. To know properly about the heapify, I have provided the link in the description. You can watch that video. Let's take an example. This is a max heap. So if we want to insert an element 15, we should insert it always at the end position. Right. Now we can see that this doesn't follow the max heap properties, as 15 is greater than 12, but in the max heap the largest element should be here and all its children should be smaller than it. So what will we do now? We should heapify this node. So we will check this node with its parent element. As this is smaller than this, we should swap this. 12, 7, 15, 5, 2 and 4. So now again this node is smaller than its parent, but we should swap it so that this becomes greater than this. So we will again swap it. So this becomes 15, 7, 12, 5, 2 and 4. So now this is a max heap. Similar procedure in min heap. First, we should increase the heap size. Next, we should insert the element at the end. Third, we should heapify. How should we heapify in the min heap? We should check the end element or the node to be heapified with its parent element. And if this end element is smaller than its parent element, we should swap them. Notes and the code for this will be provided in the description. Let me quickly write the algorithm for the insertion. Let's pass the array, the size of the array, nothing but the size of the heap, the key to be inserted. Okay, the key or the element to be inserted. So now let's increase the size of the heap by 1. Okay, next in the last position we should place the key or the element to be inserted. Now what is the last step which we studied? Just heapify the whole heap. heapify. This is the length and this is the position to be heapified.